ask a favor of you?
Pardon me?
Can I ask a favor of you? You think?
I'm sorry.
Can you jump that for me? Do you think?
Yeah.
Got it.
Clean.
I'm sorry. I should have. If you want to grab my bucket from in there, I'll dump it next time. By my. Never mind.
I'm hard of hearing.
Sorry. So much water. See, the problem is you're all the way on the very bottom of the floor, so I'm getting all that water down. So I mean,
Garbage out.
the whole thing had to get drained.
Nobody's ever worked on this since I've lived here, and I've been here 10 years.
Oh, I'm sure. It's time is now, you know.
Right.